This video is a little different for us because we wanted to show you what the metal looks like during the various stages of dent repair. This Honda backed into a tree, which is pretty common here in Florida, but Paintless Dent Repair was the right choice so that the original paint finish could stay on the vehicle. People assume dents pop right out. In fact, you may think that or have heard that as well, but once the bulk comes up, we're still left with high areas that store locked up energy that must be knocked down. When an impact occurs near an edge, many times the structure underneath can put a significant line on the outer skin that we're repairing. And mid-repair, the metal can look pretty messy. At this point, hundreds of micro low spots are still there that we meticulously push out one by one. Fine-tuning those spots can take a significant amount of time. It looks good, but we're not done. And here's the after. Here under our special PDR light, you can see what we see. We try to look at our repair from as many angles as possible because it can seem perfect at one angle, but we may see a flaw at a different angle. Once it looks good under our lights, then in natural lighting, it'll look good as well. We don't like to promise perfection, but we really try to get it the best we possibly can. If you're looking for a local dent company where excellence matters, contact Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair today for an estimate.